Patrick Snow here, international best-selling author, professional keynote speaker, writing coach, publishing coach, book marketing coach, speaking and coaching coach. I'm so excited to be here today. And my guest on this interview is Bettina Carey. Bettina Carey and I have been friends and business associates and business partners for more than 15 years. She's one of my favorite people in the world. She is the founder of We Empower You, and she is hosting an event coming up next week, which is absolutely spectacular. You don't want to miss that. It's all day on Wednesday, March 10th. And I'm honored and thrilled to be speaking at 12 noon Pacific that day. But to learn more about that event, I brought Bettina Carey on the line today, and she's going to share us. So tell us what the vision about We Empower You is all about, and tell us what this day looks like and how people can sign up and register to learn more.
Yes, thank you so much for having me here today, Patrick. Of course, our friendship goes way back, and you've been a speaker at all of our summits thus far. So this will be your 4th time up. And what this is it's a global movement of empowering others. And what we're doing is helping them in 5 key areas of life. That's business, leadership, love, life, and health. And for those of you who have a book inside of you, you're going to want to go to Patrick's session, because he's going to be talking about how to write and shamelessly market your book inside of you. This day starts out with a wonderful invocation. We celebrate at the end with a celebration with music and dancing. In the middle of all of this, we have keynote sessions, 2 rounds of breakout sessions. We have also a mentoring round and a networking round, which are brand new to us. And we always evolve and up-level the event from quarter to quarter. We do these every single quarter. I'm so excited because we're going to be teaching people marketing strategies to help them run or start online businesses. For folks that are furloughed, fired, laid off, have a side hustle that they want to really bring to fruition, or merely have a dream that they want to achieve, we are here to help you to shatter your revenue glass ceiling. That was the last glass ceiling that was sitting on my head for almost my entire life. And I would have to say, last year when I shattered it, I didn't just break through, I shattered it, and I'm teaching others to do the same. So this is what's in store for you on March the 10th. You go to visit our website for tickets that are just $17 at weempoweryourlife.com, and we look forward to seeing you there.
Well, thank you, Bettina. So thrilled to have you as a guest on. I absolutely love all the things that you're doing. You are a marketing genius, a networking guru, an incredible author, speaker, and coach. So I'm honored to be here. Thank you for joining with us today. And thank you for having me as your speaker. Again, mark your calendar, March 10th, all day long, from morning till night. We Empower You. And then the website again is We Empower Your Life, $17 for a ticket. That's the absolute best deal of the century. Thank you, Bettina.
Thank you. See you at the summit.
Absolutely.